His violin.
Steve Sparks.
Sparks. That's an oldie.
Which of the Tigers games when they lost?
Oh yeah.
We got another like
Because he used to
machine.
That'll be in the video. We can
Another 1,200 miles.
toner coverage.
Oh yeah, yes.
Steve Sparks.